Today I want to show you the ultimate bull case for Bitcoin. We have been speaking about bearish options for Bitcoin already quite some times. Today it is time to actually take a look at the actual bull case here for Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, this fractal from the past for Bitcoin leads us to a price of 200k, but I want to break it down with facts today for you guys. So stay tuned, it's going to be a short video. You're going to get all the infos that you need. We are starting out here on the index chart, on the logarithmic time frame, and what I'm going to do is I want to shed light on where the market usually tops out on the logarithmic scale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Fibonacci retracement from the first bottom to the top, and we're gonna notice that the first market cycle peak after this bottom structure, if you want to call this a market cycle peak, was at the 1.618 Fibonacci level, overshot it slightly, but this is where you had your first top. Okay, so 1.618. Next cycle we take this actual top and this actual bottom, and we're gonna measure where it brought us for the cycle, and again we overshot the 1.618 Fib here for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so 1.618, 1.618 both times hit in the first two cycles. Let's go on to the next cycles and actually pull the Fibs from top to bottom. And in the cycle 2015-16 or 16-17, you overshot the 1.618, you went to the 2.27. Okay, so we have two times the 1.618, more or less 1.618, yeah, 618. We have one time the 2.27 Fib, and now let's keep on going and we measure from the 17-16 cycle to the bottom, and we have reached the 1.618. Okay, so this gets three times reaching the 1.618. Okay, and yeah, basically those were all market cycles for Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And actually now measuring our last one, guys, very interesting, our fifth cycle, obviously. We can now measure from the top to the bottom, and we will see where price could go if we reach 1.618 or 2.23. So if we reach 1.618, Bitcoin price is likely gonna reach 163,000 US dollars, and that is a realistic target because every single cycle has at least reached the 1.618. If you guys ask me which target you think or I think is gonna be most likely here, I'm gonna say a number, and I'm gonna call out 182,000. I had multiple charts pointing towards the price of around $182,000 for Bitcoin. This would be a slight overshoot of the 1.618 as we did it here and there. So this is basically a fast and short way to predict where the top could be back based on the past for Bitcoin. Okay, guys. And also, once we break all-time high and we really break it, I just want to show you here, boom, we have a heavy run up. Okay, here as well for Bitcoin, we broke all-time high and boom, heavy run up. And now we can do the same. Actually, here it is not legit. This one, boom, then you have a nice run up. And now Bitcoin really broke the old all-time high, guys. So it actually looks like the next thing that we could see is easily a 100% spike. Here, what was it there? Here it was 100% spike as well. So Bitcoin could actually pull off just 100% spike here, and everybody would be super shocked. So that is basically what I'm seeing right now for Bitcoin. Bearish scenarios mostly invalidated. We have 79k based on the 5.3 theory. That will be a milestone, let's say, to knock out for Bitcoin. If we are able to clear, let's say, the 79, 80,000-ish area here, guys, I don't see a problem. Bitcoin could go higher, and yeah, basically, if this yellow line here is crossed fully, And also this resistance here is cleared, guys. We want to clear this resistance here ahead. Okay, if those resistances are cleared, okay, the yellow line, because of the 5.3 theory I just showed you, the cycle returns diminished by 5.3 every single cycle so far. Okay, so if those lines are cleared, and also this trend line that comes in from the 2 cycle peaks, that would be coming in right now around 85, 86K. If those ones are cleared, guys, there we go for the cycle, there we go for the market. If we are not managing to either overcome 79 or the trend line here, then this is actually a very dangerous situation, because that could be something like a triple top, and the market could then actually go lower from here to create a new bottom, and then finally push higher at another point, or create a higher high, obviously. That is all possible. So pay attention, guys. These are the scenarios we are taking a look at. If the 79K, the 80, 85K area is cleared, this trend line is broken, Bitcoin has a potential 100% move here to go. Thank you. I'm out. Justin Crypto out. Bye. 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 Ciao. Ciao.